Hello, my dear beloved viewers. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. You are watching Ragini Swami YouTube channel. So, this is the first time in my channel. I'm going to show you one recipe that is sprouted horse gram recipe. Okay, let's come on to it. These are the ingredients we need to cook that sambar. First thing is sprouted horse gram we need. Already I washed it. Next ingredient is onion, chopped onion. This is for sambar and this is for ogarne and this is for that palya. And here it's grated coconut for that palya. This is coriander leaves and green chilies. Already I washed these two ingredients. You can add red chilies instead of green chilies. Suppose you have acidity or gastric problems. Okay, next this is one tomato and here garlic, half tablespoon cumin, 5 seeds of pepper, and here also grated coconut for sambar, and here small pinch of tamarind. Okay, these are the ingredients actually we need to cook this. Next procedure is I need some vessels. Wait for a while, I want to take that vessel. I'm pouring some water into this vessel. I need some more water into this. Again, I'm pouring some water. I think it's enough. I forgot to make video when I added the salt. I'm showing you that salt already I added. I close the lid. 1 tablespoon oil only I put into this vessel. Just wait for a while. After that I'm going to add one by one ingredients for frying. Already I added that garlic. Next I added tomato. Just leave it for a while. After that I will add green chilies. I added green chilies. Next going to add some onions. Next I'm adding the small pinch of tamarind. Next is cumin and pepper I'm going to add. Wait, see, already I added that cumin and pepper. I want to fry it thoroughly. I'm going to add grated coconut. Mix it well together. All the ingredients I added except the coriander leaves. I'm going to add this much of coriander leaves. Again need to mix it well together. Okay. Leave it for a while. After that we just grind it. I have transferred all the fried ingredients into this and just I want to grind it. Again I will come back. I have grinded this. I want to separate this sprouted husk gram and this soup into the next vessel. I separated this husk gram and this. I'm going to add this one. This is ogarne for that sambar. I'm going to add this small amount of mustard seeds and adding curry leaves. I have added chopped onions. This sambar is boiling and I'm adding this into this. Sambar is ready. On the other hand, in the same vessel, I'm making that horse gram palya. For that, I have added mustard seeds, curry leaves, and some chopped onions. Already, I have added that sprouted horse gram and grated coconut and coriander leaves. Just I want to mix it well together. This sprouted horse gram palya also ready for eating. Sambar, the best combination is ragi ball. So I just made it, but I did not do that video. I could not able to do that because I am the only cameraman. So it is so difficult to do as though I did it. Thank you for watching this video and please do subscribe my YouTube channel and hit the bell button. You will get all the notifications of my YouTube channel. Thank you. Thank you so much. I will meet you in the next episode.